I have had many struggles in my journey towards health and wellness. I've been diagnosed with some major setbacks as far as autoimmune diseases. I've had 13 surgeries, and all of those carried a heavy weight. And with that, I have had doctors and other medical professionals and just people in the world tell me that I was disqualified and that was the lane I was going to stay in. And that was a lie that I believed for several years, that that was my lane, to be the sick girl who would not find healing and could not move her body. Revelation Wellness has shown me that I am free. In coming to retreat and being around other people and moving my body and feeling free and hearing positive affirmations being spoken over to me the entire time. You have a good body. You're in a good body. If you're moving, you're doing it right. Those are all things that as we're moving, our brain hears it, and then we process it in our bodies, and we begin to believe the truth, and we forget about the lie. I think my favorite part of retreat is honestly the movement and how movement is made fun. To work out, just to work out, don't put me down for that. I don't want to work out to work out. It's not fun. But when I'm moving my body and worship to the Lord, that's something I can get behind. And that's something that I really enjoy. And then when you're doing it with like 100 of your best friends, that makes it so much more fun. And you're moving, it's fun music, it's energetic. You're looking at people telling them that they're doing it right. People are looking at you telling you you're doing it right. You're giving high fives to one another. And there's some really fun workouts too. This retreat is for every person. Every person has a place here. Every person has a space here. And every body is welcome here. If you are wondering, well, I can't move the way that I see these people moving, that's okay. I can't either. And that's okay. There are invitations and modifications for everyone. And not just use the word modification, but there's success stories for everyone here.